asteroid belt in a sci-fi film is often a device to show just how great a spaceship captain really is. However, the asteroid belt that lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter is a different matter. Our asteroid belt consists of a huge number of rocky objects ranging in size from a grain of sand to 590 miles across. That would be the asteroid belt's dwarf planet Ceres. But as images have shown us from flyby missions, the belt is not so densely populated with asteroids, allowing for plenty of room to maneuver. In fact, we've intentionally enlarged these asteroids, not only for dramatic effect, but to also show you where they are in relation to the planet's orbits. The chances of a spacecraft colliding with an asteroid are less than 1 in a billion. In fact, a total of 12 spacecraft have successfully traveled across this region of space with nary an issue. So let's sum up Empire as we fly through the upper reaches of the planet Bespin and the clouds of Cloud City. As Luke trains with Yoda, Han and the gang are betrayed by Lando Calrissian and subsequently captured by the Imperial forces. Han is suspended in animation via a block of carbonite while Lando comes to his senses and helps Leia and Chewbacca escape. Upon their escape, Luke arrives to help but falls into Vader's trap. They engage in a lightsaber duel, but Luke is outmatched, loses his right hand, and learns that Vader is actually his father. Luke ends up being rescued as he hangs on for dear life via the bottom antenna of one of the floating cities. And with that, they flee to Tatooine to rescue Han from the clutches of Jabba the Hutt. Thus, leading us into Chapter 6. As we leave Cloud City, I should tell you that I have stretched the truth here some, because we're not actually flying through Bespin, but through the clouds in the upper atmosphere of Kepler 86c. Yes, another exoplanet, some 1,200 light years away from us. It's similar to our neighbor Venus with its cloud coverage, but unlike Venus, its clouds aren't composed of sulfuric acid, making it a better and more suitable stand-in for the fictitious Bespin. Which leads us now to Episode 6, Return of the Jedi. Well, on Tatooine, a rescue plot takes place to successfully save Han Solo. And while Leia, Han, and the rest of the group rendezvous with the Rebel Alliance, Luke visits Yoda one last time on Dagobah. It is here that he learns that Vader is indeed his father, and that Leia is his twin sister.